Hey, what's going on? This is Jerry with Wealth Dynamics. I hope you're doing well today. So I'm coming at you this Thursday morning, this Thursday afternoon, this Thursday evening, maybe it's Friday depending on where you are in the world, to talk to you about how to organize your personal finances like the top 1% of wealth. Okay, how do the 1% do it? Because organizing is a huge skill. You need to know about it. The reason you would organize is organizing your personal finances gives you clarity on where you are now financially. That clarity gives you certainty. If you know where you stand, man, you know where you stand. You have full certainty on your finances. That certainty gives you speed. Speed is power when it comes to wealth. Okay, if you're uncertain, it means you don't know what you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, it's because you do not know where you're at in relation to where you're going. Think about when you're driving to a new location in your car and you've never been there before, you have less certainty. If you don't have a map, you have even less certainty. So you need to know, this is where I'm at, this is what it looks like, this is what it feels like, this is where I need to go, and this is the route. Okay, so how do the top 1% organize their personal finances? How do they do it? I'm going to break that down for you. First things first, it's all about income. You need to know your income. So you should be looking at, what's my income? If you're married, you're looking at, what am I making and what is my spouse making? Okay, what do we make together as a household? The first line on your statement needs to be earned income. How much money did you earn trading your time for? That's your earned active income. Okay, you're going to total that up, your earned income. Second line on that statement should be your investment income, your passive income. This is different. This is income generated by assets, right? So you're going to have the income you've generated from assets on your second line down. Okay? Now below that, you're going to have your total. What's my total? When I add up my passive income, my asset earned income versus my active income, when I bring that total together, how much am I making per month gross? This is before taxes. Okay, after that, you're listing out your expenses. What am I spending every single month? You should know this monthly and weekly. What do I bring in? What do I spend? What do I spend on rent, mortgage, utilities, repairs, maintenance, internet, Wi-Fi, cell phone, cable, groceries, food, clothing, transportation, fuel? What do I spend on leisure? What do I spend on childcare? What do I spend on education? What do I put towards my gym membership? What do I drop on fast food every month? What do I put towards restaurants? How much do I put towards my debt? How much am I saving? How much am I investing? How much am I giving? And how much am I putting towards my taxes? That probably is everything you spend on every month. Okay, that's your expenses. Total all of that up, subtract it from your gross monthly income, and now you know where you stand. Am I at a shortfall or a surplus? All right, next category. Next category is going to be assets. Assets are equity positions that pay you every single month, every single quarter, every single year, whatever the frequency is, it's equity positions that pay you. What that means is you're going to put your cash. How much do you have in cash? You're going to put your retirement accounts. You're going to put your investments. You're going to put your real estate investments. Now, your primary mortgage, your primary residence, your home is not an asset. It does not go in the assets column. It doesn't pay you. It actually costs you money. So it wouldn't go in the assets. Okay, so you're going to have your assets in that category. Okay, you're also going to have, let me make sure my volume is rolling here. You're also going to have your investment real estate, your business equity, anything that pays you money every month, that needs to be included. All right? Now, once you've lined these numbers out, you're going to subtract it. You're going to take your assets, you're going to total them up, then you're going to subtract all your debt. What do I owe? What's my mortgage? What's my debt? What is everything I owe to everybody? If I totaled that up and subtract it from my assets, what does that number come out to? All right? Last thing, when you take that number, that's your net worth. You need to know your net worth. Your net worth is your assets minus your liabilities. Again, your primary residence is not included in your net worth. Only things that pay you regularly. Only things that pay you regularly are included in that number. Okay, that's how you organize your personal finances, guys. The top 1% do it that way. It starts with income. You need to know your expenses. You need to know your assets. You need to know your liabilities. You need to know your net worth. Now, your net worth actually is not the end all for when it comes to your personal finances. Your net worth is a cool number, but unless you sell everything, it doesn't actually help you. So tomorrow, I want to come at you with a video that talks about some very specific financial ratios, statistics that are more important than your net worth. That's all I have for you today. I'm going to go ahead and post an article in the comments, as I always do, for you to check out. So thank you for watching. I appreciate that. Click on the article. By the way, inside that article, I'm going to post it for Instagram as well. Inside this article, there is a link for a free personal finance course. I'm teaching it. It's about 90 minutes long, and I break down all of these things for you so that you can start building wealth today. It's free information. It's stuff that's not being circulated. Okay? So check that out. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you later.